Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox voice chat on your phone. So first up, you just obviously need to open up Roblox. And once you're inside Roblox, what you need to do is just simply head over to More. And right over here, you have to press on Settings. And then you have to go to Account Info. So it will take a while to load up. Once you're here, what you have to do is just put in your email address. If you haven't, just put in your email address and make sure you verify it. And then the other thing you must do is just simply put on your phone number. If you cannot see the phone number, it's either not supported in your country or you haven't verified your age. And now the second thing that you have to do is verify your age, and you have to be on the 13 plus group at least. So I'm on 18 plus group, but you at least have to be 13 plus. On my username here, as you can see, it says 13 plus. But if you haven't, you have to press on verify my age, and you have to give them your email, and then they will do the process of verifying your age. Once this is done, just go back and go to privacy and content restrictions. So right over here, you have to do a few things as well. Just like first up, you have to go to content maturity and make sure that your content maturity is set to moderate or restricted, but restricted mode is only for those who have verified their age. If your age isn't verified, you cannot simply get restricted mode, but you at least have to be on moderate. But after that, you have to go to communication, which is on the same tab. And right over here, you'll see an option of voice chat. I cannot see the voice chat setting because I don't have voice chat enabled and I haven't verified. But if you have verified, you'll see the voice chat option. And just like this option, you have to press on voice chat. I'm pressing on camera input, for example. And right over here, as you can see, it will be turned off. You just need to turn it on like that, and it will just turn on. You just need to press on the toggle and it will turn on, and it will show a green indicator just like that. And there you go. So yeah, once all this is done, you'll be able to use camera on your games. But the last thing that you need to confirm, that make sure that your in-game iPhone mic is turned on as well. Sometimes it's the device problem. So what you can do is just simply go to your settings and go to apps over here and just type in Roblox, and just simply make sure that your microphone is enabled right over here. If it's not, you won't be able to use it. But yeah, just simply make sure that your microphone is enabled, and this is it. I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.